I started a computer manufacturing company that customers become owners of the company. I'm going to talk about this. I'm ILIA TRUDEAU. I'm founder of ILIPUTER tech company in the Netherlands, and we are designing and manufacturing our own computers, and also we are promoting the computer products from other brands. And we are the first that we are pioneering customer ownership business model. What do I mean? Simply saying, customers are going to become the owner of the company when they make a purchase. In other words, customers are going to invest instead of purchasing. You are going to invest, receive stocks or shares of the company, plus free products. Because the money you pay is considered as an investment, right? You don't pay for purchasing that. So you receive the stocks of the company, and the company is going to deliver to you free products. Think about that. Look, you are going to become the owners of the company. Which company? This tech company, ILIPUTER. And you are going to have the products for free. Look what have we created for you. Do you love this idea? I created this company for you to add value into our societies, to benefit mankind. This is what I'm doing at ILIPUTER. So if you really want to purchase your computer products, consider ILIPUTER. It is available worldwide. You can invest at ILIPUTER instead of purchasing from traditional businesses, and we are going to deliver to you the products from your own chosen favorite brand also. Maybe you prefer our own laptop. Let's say here, I have the laptop, you see? It's also working. I have the laptop here. You can have our own logo and brand, or you can request from any brand. We are going to deliver that to you. So I'm just happy, excited to share this great news with you, to empower you, to let you to build wealth while you're purchasing your own favorite products. Let's say the laptops or smartphones, Here, the case is that you have this privilege now to join ILIPUTER, to contact ILIPUTER, and also take action. Tell me, what do you think? Do you love ILIPUTER? Do you want to join ILIPUTER? Do you want to invest at ILIPUTER and receive free products? Do you really love this? Because it is completely official, and I'm talking directly to you. It is official. Look, we are building wealth, helping you to make money while you're purchasing your computer products. That's all. Think about that. And also, let me know your comments. Share this video with your friends, family members who are looking for this privilege. And beside that, also, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, subscribe now, hit that bell icon, and also watch other videos that may pop up here or here. Love you all till the next one.